What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding and staying all mushy by putting in a French drain system. So let's get started. Okay, well, the problem is here is, I guess, all the water ends up building up in these low spots and it all stays mushy in here, as you can see by all this moss and everything. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put in a long French drain slash mini dry well. Starting over there near where they have their border, we're gonna have 5 catch basins, one there, space all the way down this whole line. So then that way we can help soak in all the water from all the surrounding areas to make sure that this stays as dry as possible. And then when it rains, stuff will be able to build in and then go away 3 to 4 times faster than it normally used to. So let's get going. Here we go. Everything is now completely dug out. This is another reason why I prefer to hand dig most of my jobs, is the fact of you end up breaking things. Then you have to fix them, and yeah, it can be a real pain. But you see we got the sprinkler lines here. We got everything going. Another sprinkler line down here. Now the entire French drain, aka mini dry well, or extra mini dry well, because anytime a French drain doesn't actually exit to daylight or go into a real dry well, well, then it's just a mini dry well itself. And all this is meant to do is help collect all the surface water and help everything drain back into the ground a lot faster when anything does start pulling up. And then as you can see where all the moss is and everything, it's going to help dry out this area immensely to keep moss and everything from forming, so that way they can actually grow grass again. Now, time to pipe it all up. And here we go. Everything's completely piped up, filter clothed, socked. This is exactly how it's going to look. This allows all the water to absorb from the left, the right, and the surface. And now, even though it's not going anywhere, it's helping it be able to drain into the ground faster, because then we got through all the crappier soil that was on top, which was making it so everything was standing. So as you can see, we got the holes drilled everywhere, all around. Everything goes. The level doesn't really matter because it's just all stationary. Just like to make sure it's all connected, so that way the water can just free flow left to right, depending on what parts of the yard accumulate more water, because you just never know, with the wind blowing, things rolling, velocity of the water, with the rain coming down. So this way you just make sure everything is connected and has somewhere to go. And you always want to make sure the holes are down, especially if you were having a system when you're moving everything. You want the holes down so it doesn't have to build up 4 inches before it goes. And then even in this, you just want the water, when it builds up in here, to be able to drain out of the pipe. You don't want anything standing in the pipe at all, which is also why you make little mini dry wells under each catch basin. Now to backfill the rest of it.